It's currently 9 p.m. Yeah. So guys, I would say today's failure, guys. Today's failure to take any trade or entry is definitely going to be on me, guys. And I think I was just being too much of a chicken. That was why I didn't take any trade today. But still, guys, still, I will say it's not my fault. I was just following my trading rules, guys. So, I told you guys price tap into this level and then bought, right? Yeah. And then we of course missed that one. So the opportunity I was waiting for was after price took out this London session high that he formed. I was kind of like waiting for after price took out the high for a retest and then buy continuation. So after this was invalidated, after price took out this London high, after it was like invalidated, I just left the market, guys. I just left the market because what was this one right here? Was there a need? There was no working need because I was expecting just a retest right here and then the buy continuation, but it just did as it wants to do, and then think this was what was expected. I don't know what it was looking for here, right? Before the buy continue. But anyways, that is that about that. No trades on today. Today is currently the 9th. Sorry, second of is it July? Yeah, 2nd of July. And I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Let's go. So this is gold. And this is currently Thursday, 9:30 a.m. or something. Yeah. So on a normal day, guys, I would have opted in on this buy right here on gold because gold is buying and it came back to tap into this demand zone to look for more buys. So in a normal day, I'll have just opt in and just continue buying, but I'm actually waiting for gold to at least take out this high or this high to give me more buy confirmation, or take out this low right here to give me sales confirmation. As you guys can see, it's still playing around right here. No change of character has happened, and I think a new high just formed. So if price should take out this high or take out this low, I'll just continue selling. If you take out this high, I'll continue buying. So yeah, kind of like no bias guy. I kind of like on the plain side. So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys. So this is my bias for today. Alright guys, so I told you guys that I would either wait for a breakout at this upside or I'll wait for this breakout, right? So yeah, I got in on the sell breakout instead because I think it's more valid, and the momentum it's bringing for the sell it's stronger. So let's just see how this one goes, guys. So we're currently floating like $8 in profit on this particular one. Let me see. Yeah, so we are risking about how many dollars? About 20. No, we're risking about $16. Yeah, risking about $16 on this one. Yeah, $16-16, which is like half of the account, right? And thankfully we are floating in profit, about $10 in profit right now. So my TP is like for $60 thereabouts. Yeah, for $60 or thereabouts. So let's see how this one goes, guys. Clearly, as you guys can see, it's clearly over a 1-to-1, and I think it's safe to now call it a break-even, as you guys can see. So yeah, we're floating as much as $30 on this particular one. So I'll just break even, guys, and secure my trade in case price reverses, to get other opportunity to take other trades. So my TP target is kind of close. We're just like 40 pip, yeah, about 40 pip away from TP. So let's go. Let's just see how this one goes. So price is still ranging. As you can see, it's like reversing. Almost got to our TP like like 20 pips away from our TP. Our prices are like about 20 pips away from our TP. But anyways, we are still currently floating like about $30, and like I told you guys, I'm like building a discipline to hold trades to take profit target, right? Well, it's break even, it's secured. So I just wanted to update you guys because I'm currently heading out. So you guys should help me watch the trade and I'll keep you guys posted. Let's go. we're stopped out of the trade. As you guys can see, price kind of like reversed back and then yeah, stopped us out. And now it's currently dropping, guys. It's currently dropping. I don't know if I shouldn't have broken even, but I think breaking even was like the safest thing to do. So this is today's trade. Stopped us out at break even. Yeah, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. But anyways, let's just see how it goes, guys. Maybe I'll re-entry. Maybe I'll take a re-entry or just call it a day. NFP week, guys. Crazy. This is what the current account balance is at. Let me just take a screenshot of this one. Yeah, so you guys will see it. So this is what our trades history looks like now, as of this week or something. Yeah, I think it was this week I deposited also. Yeah, so this is all the trades we've taken so far. Anyways, this was the bias to this particular trade. So why I didn't take what this buy in the morning, because you guys see that price broke this my level. So it was this low, guy. I neglected this week right here. Let me just use my cursor and then focus more on this one. So I was expecting price to take out this one, yeah, and then neglected this one. That was why I didn't go for the buy, which of course if I went for the buy would have been a fat loss. By the end of the day, we went for the sell, dropped a bit. I could have been patient and waited for this sell instead. Yeah, I waited for this reversal instead and then I'll go for it, because it kind of like formed a trend. Yeah, a downward trend movement. If you guys see it here, a downward trend pattern before it kind of like drops. So I think for tomorrow I'll just be expecting price to probably at some point touch this trend again and then continue the sell or something like that, guys. Anyways, you might even see like a breakout and then the buy continuation. So just make sure you are keeping your mind playing, guys, anytime you're entering, especially on gold. Don't force the trend on gold, guys. Just go with the trend and I believe, yeah, you should be good. So this is just the basic analysis for this particular trade. Good, guys. So this is currently Monday. Yeah, and of course you guys saw Thursday trade. You see Thursday, yeah, Thursday trade that stopped us out. Like price was literally 20 pips, just 20 pips away from our TP, guys, and we could have got about 60-70 bucks, $60-70 from that particular trade. But anyways, that is just how it is. I would say one of the things that even like made me not take partial profit, or let's just say our discipline. I was sticking to our discipline. That was number one. And number two, I might have gotten out of the trade if I was actually at home. But anyways, that is that about that. Our current account balance is still sitting at $30.66. I think we made some couple of cents on that particular one. Yeah. So overall, this is just the trade I think we've taken for the week or since last week. And today there was no setup today, and I don't usually trade on Mondays. I think that is not news to you guys. Let me just screenshot this so you guys will see it on your screen. Alright, so I don't usually trade on Mondays though, even though price literally dropped and then is now buying towards the upside. Monday is kind of usually scheduled. Like, so this was the previous trade that we took last week Thursday, and then it was eating us out and then dropped during the news. Regardless, guys, I'm going to update you guys if I see a setup tomorrow, Tuesday, which is Tuesday, and hopefully, we get another good setup. Let's go. Yeah, so price is almost at my entry point. As you guys can see, I already set the signal already, so I'm about to drop the signal. Once if price gets here now, I'm about to get the drop the signal. So I'm waiting for it this morning. As you guys can see, price has just been ranging, and that's why it's important for you to wait for your setup. Don't rush in, guys. Wait for your setup. If your setup hasn't played out, just calm down. Now, what am I watching out, guys? It's as simple as price taking out both buyers. So price has taken out the previous London high, took out sellers right here, and I'm waiting for price to take out what buyers. Once price take out buyers, I believe price will start playing towards the upside. Because so initially I would have said price will come back here to retest, but I don't think that is happening. Yeah, I think price will not come back here to retest. Just a level that a lot of beginners might be looking at. I believe this is what price will still do, just from an head and shoulder pattern and then shoot towards the upside. So I'm just sticking towards that, guys. It's basically as simple as that. Once price get to that level, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, so another quick update, guys. I had to change my account type because of the spread. Yeah, so I got another change, just like switch or did an internal transfer, change my account type to a better account with better spread. just this is the fact that I saw Tuesday trade, and then I think my account manager told me that there's a better account type with lower spread and zero commission too, or small commission. I don't even know safe, but I switched to a better account to do, and this spread is much more better on what, on XAUSD or gold. So let's go, guys. When I take a trade, I'll definitely update you guys. Price gave me a better opportunity, in fact. As you guys can see, we're in profit, but for some reason I don't know why, guys, price is not allowing me to use the lot size I am supposed to use. Guys, it's super annoying, like it's super annoying. As you guys can see, I've been placing buy and it's showing not enough money, placing buy. I don't know why it's like this. So guys, it's fucking annoying, guys. I don't know, maybe it's because of the CPI or something, but I've been buying and it's not buying. Anyways, let's just see how this one goes, guys. Let me set my SL and TP. Let's see how it goes. So this one this one went against us, guys, and I don't know if I will say it's a good thing or bad thing that I wasn't risking much, guys. Oh, this is my sorry, this is my other account. Yeah, this one is the propfirm account. All these ones are bastards. So I lost about $800 a year or so. I lost about $800 a year. So to our trading account, I lost about $3 or the about, I don't even know if about 246, yeah, $2.50 or the about. Well, anyways, I don't know if this is valid, or not, or price is just trying to eat this level first before going towards the upside. Well, I'm not taking any trade for today again. I should have gone for the sales instead. I should have just gone for the sales instead. Price taking out buyers and then dropping. I should have set, yeah, buyers, price taking out, is it buyers or sellers? Price taking out sellers and then dropping, yeah, or something. Well, anyhow, that is that about this one, guys, and I guess I will catch you guys in the next one. This is currently Wednesday, if you can see it, guys. Yeah, so like you guys saw in the screen recording, or I'll just pop it up if you guys haven't seen it. So I was testing out something on the account, of course. So what happened previously won't happen again, because I kind of like reached out to them and blah blah blah, CPI, impact, blah 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 blah. Guys, I don't know what I was thinking while trading during new safe. I said I was going to be looking for A+ setups on our challenge account, and I kind of fucked that up. But it was kind of like looking at like a Gucci trade though. Yeah, it was kind of looking like a Gucci trade, but at the end of the day we got stopped out of this particular one anyways. So what I'm looking for, I would say, it's still the same projection as this. If you guys look closely, it's still kind of the same thing as this. The kind of analysis I'm waiting for, right? So I won't be trading London session today. Yeah, so I might just wait for price to probably come back to this level. I think it might not be respected. So my major point of interest, I'll be using supply and demand for this particular one. So I believe price should come to this demand level, tap into this demand level, and then buy. Just basically as simple as that. So current account balance is still $28, like you guys saw yesterday, 43 cents. So I don't know if you guys will definitely see the recording, but when price was at this level, which was my entry point, this level, as you guys can see, by now I would have gotten like almost TP safe. But anyways, price didn't allow me enter fully, but when it now went up, that was when I was able to scale in. So we are currently floating about $5 in profit right now. So we are in on this particular buy on gold. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah, so reason why I scaled the rigs was because of this one in profit. Then I just reduced the SL. Yeah, as you guys can see, just reduced the SL right here, and I scaled the rigs because of this particular one in profit. It's risky, of course, because I would have entered all of my trade right here and I would have been Gucci. But anyways, it is what it is, guys. So I will definitely update you guys on this one and let you guys know how it plays out. Let's go. Yeah, and so guys, at this point there's just a lot happening in the market, as you guys can see. There's just a lot happening in the market. As I said, let me film and update you guys, but this was, where price stopped us out, came back here. I don't know if this level would have been a better resistance level, demand level or the likes, but who knows, guys, who knows what price is doing. But this is annoying. About the fact that if you stop me, you just sell, man, just bought and. But anyways, now instead of mulling over this one, like we are going again other guys. Definitely going again other. This one blew my account. When I'm back, it's going to be mad shit, guys. Let's go. So this is currently Friday, and I'm currently about to head out right now. I just said, let me round up the episode 2 of this series of this challenge. And of course, like you guys saw, unfortunately, we blew our account. Now, I don't think I want to blame brokers or I want to put the blame on anybody because at the end of the day, anything that happens is still my fault. I mean, as long as I'm the one that plays the trade, as long as I'm the one that is doing everything. Even though, at some point it was kind of like their fault, but still, I won't want to put the blame on anybody because technically I was supposed to reach like $20 max on that last trade, but because I was not executed at the bottom, I was not able to use my full lot size. So it was that kind of like skeptical which lot size, the risk management I was supposed to use after price had gone up. And I just had to place the trade thinking that since the trade is shot up, it was going to continue like that, and that was why the trade kind of blew our account after a reversal. But that is not about that. It ended up eating SL self, which means I might have lost the $20 still if I was risking it. And I was saying, we kind of had a good start, we had a good run, and our account was up about, I think, $80 max before we ended up blowing it. And I think you guys must have picked 1 or 2 lessons from this. I mean, just show you guys that, I'm doing this challenge not just because I want to prove something to you guys. I want to prove something to anybody. This is personal to me. It's not like, after I've grown this account to like 10K, I'm going to give you guys the money. I'm going to give you money. And this is personal to me, and it's something that like I want to prove. Like, this is trying to make an impossible possible. I don't know if you guys are getting my point. Well, anyways, I just made a deposit of $10 again right now. And of course, we are going to be trying it again in episode 3. We're going to be trying again. And I think I'll have 3 chances, which means if I upload this one, I'll have 1 more trial for the rest of this year. Then we'll go again next year if I fail. That's if I fail. That's if I fail though. But anyways, today's Friday. I didn't call any trade. I just took a rest today and I was like, let's just wait till next week before we take it. And I think the market was even consolidating throughout, which means it was a good thing I didn't even trade today. And yeah, I mean, deposited already. I'm going to show you guys all the proof. So in the next video, just guys, if you're starting afresh, all the likes, you guys get what I'm saying. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you guys have seen my transparency in this. I showed you guys, like, it's not something that I want to fake. If I'm losing, I will show you guys, and if I'm blowing the accounts, I will show you guys. Like, this is 100% full transparency. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.